If we want to find this bearing, do we know this? Can we get this? Can we get this?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, it's going to be this one. That will be 56. Hello?
Yeah.
This is 56 also. Then this will be 56. Aha. So if we can get the angle inside this triangle, right? It's going to be 270 minus 56 minus this angle, and that gives us our bearing. Is that clear now? This angle inside the triangle, maybe I call it theta. Understand? So our bearing that we are looking for, plus theta plus 56 is 270. Okay? Ryan, how do we find theta? What idea do we use to find theta? Among everything we have learned so far. Trig ratio, which is SOHCAHTOA, Pythagoras theorem, sine rule, cosine rule, which one do you think is best? And you have to tell me why. Say that again? Sine rule. Why do you say that? I'm not saying it's wrong. Just tell me why. Why do you pick that? Say that again? Why? Because it's right angle triangle. Everybody agree with that? If it wasn't right angle triangle, it's right. It's going to be sine rule. Because by the time you finish a part of the question, you already have these two completed. So it's okay to say A over sine A equals B over sine B, something like that. Or this is part P. So it's going to be triangle P something. So it's going to be P over sine P, A over sine A. But we don't need that. It's a right angle triangle. Understand? So the first one will be easy. By Pythagoras theorem, Melody, I don't want you to say we use pi a squared b squared c squared. She was like, okay, I give up. I don't know the name, but I know what it is. So by Pythagoras theorem, okay, we're looking for AB. So I will say AB squared equals to AP squared plus BP squared. Right? You see, I didn't say C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. The triangle may not be ABC. Learn to state it this way. Understand that? Please focus, everyone. Now, AB is what we are looking for. AP is 11. Calculator, please. And this is 14. So we get 121 plus 196, I guess. And that would be what? 317. So that our AB will be the square root of 317 in 3 significant figures will be what? 17.8. Can somebody tell me why you can assume this is correct by looking at the diagram? Is the longest? Is the longest hypotenuse? What do you mean? Is the longest side of the triangle because it's facing the right angle. And if you look at this, is 17.8. This is 7. This is, so yes, you can assume this is right. If you get something less than any of the two, then you know something is wrong. Okay? So having done that, that's the A part. So here will be therefore the distance of yard B from A is something, you conclude. Then for the second part, the bearing, like Ryan rightly said, we use SOHCAHTOA. Now, which of the trig ratios is appropriate either? Is it sine theta, is it cos theta, is it tan theta, and why? Say that again. Ryan said we should use SOHCAHTOA. We all agree. But there are three things. You can use sine, cos, or tan, right? In SOHCAHTOA, it means three things. Which of them is appropriate to find theta in this picture? And why do you pick that? Say that again? I know, because the right angle, that's why we're using SOHCAHTOA. Which one do we use among the trig ratios? Do we use sine? Do we use cos? Do we use tan? Which one are we using? That's my question. I'll come to you, King, after this. Then I'll go to Jensen. So. She said so. Let's hear King. King, what do you think? I write it here, SOHCAHTOA. If anybody needs me to write it there, SOHCAHTOA. That's what Ryan said we should use. because it's right angle triangle. But the SOHCAHTOA diagram mentioned consists of 3 things. Which of them do we use for this problem and why? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Try. Sine. That's what she's saying also. Cos. Okay? Okay, we have the sine, we have the cos. Let's see if somebody gives us a tan. Jensen, what do you think? Come on, come on, come on. I have just 30 minutes and I want to discuss something here. Tan. Okay, we have everything we need. Sine, cos, tan. You know, they're making me look like the bad boy here because I like to confuse people. Am I really the bad boy here? Yes, sir.
Sine.
Sine. Okay, so now we have 2 sine, 1 tan. Anybody want to go for cos? Okay, you want to go for cos?
Cos 1, cos here.
Yes, what do you think? Tan.
I think tan.
Tan. Answer. What? You are not listening all along? Melody? No, no, no. Let's go to Denise now. Tan. Anika. Tan. Rita. What? Tangent. What do you think, Ryan? You are the cause of this problem. What is it? Tan. Marco. Tangent. Okay. What about Yanko?
Tan.
Yes, Alex. Elsie? Tan. Kelly? Tan. You are partly correct. Because you are restricting yourself. Any of them could be used. Ladies and gentlemen, you already found this. No, because we have the answer in square root form.
What if you get part A wrong?
Ah.
You do some stupid mistake like I always do.
Oh yeah, okay, okay.
We pull
On
it
that
out.
ground, I agree with him. If you do, if it might be low, maybe you made a silly mistake here, then you want to really stick to this. Then I agree with you on that. But we can actually use any of them. Okay? So okay, let's go with Elson's reason. I agree with that. So let's say tan theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse, which is opposite is what?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, I just said.
Whoa, really?
I know. Sorry. Don't tell my boss. I don't want to get fired today. Okay. So what's that?
14
14.
over 11.
You know, in my mind I have 14 over 11, but my brain is telling my hand something else. My hand is writing something else. Okay. So our theta will be arctan of that. So what is that, ladies and gentlemen? Check that out.
That's
51.8. Confirm? I don't trust Kelly when it is close to 10 o'clock. Okay, 51.8. So our bearing will be, so bearing of yard B, right? Did I get that right? No, T is the other way. Yard B from, yes? Yard A, okay, is, so it's what? How do we calculate? 270 minus 56 minus 51.8, right? What's that? 162.2. Okay? Leave it as 1 decimal. I think this was one of the things Kelly was pointing out. Understand? So this is how to use, how to do bearing. So if you have anything to edit from your work, at least you have a better understanding of what bearing is and how do we go about it. I think you have more information now. Okay? But maybe we can stop that so that I don't record everything.